Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm James Grover, and I'm going to teach you how to use the slide on guitar today. If you look at it, the slide is like a piece of pipe that you can get in different widths, different sizes, depending on, I got big fingers, so this one fits perfectly on my pinky. Think of the slide as a guitar fret, but on the other side of the strings, which is on top of the strings. So what we're going to do is, when we hit a string on the guitar, we push down, let's say take the D note on the second string, third fret. That's a D. So if I put my slide on here, and I go on top of that fret on the same string, third fret, that's D. Here's D natural, D on the slide. Same note. Now, the thing about the slide is you can wiggle it to make it sharp or make it flat. Here's D natural, D sharp, D flat. See how it works? D natural, D flat, D sharp. So that's how we work a slide. So if we go, and you get the nice little effect, it sounds like a cello. You can make it sound like a cello. And so forth, and you can use your fifths. Let's say we A5. We go to D5. So you just have to practice with it. You want to land the center of the slide on top of the note that you want to hit, but on the fret. So remember, when we fret the guitar, the note breaks on top of the fret. So we push the string into the fret to get that note right there. So that's when you hit the slide has to be exactly on top of the fret to get that same note. See that? Same thing. So that's how to use a slide. I hope this has been helpful on learning how to use a slide. So consider this as a fret on top of the strings instead of behind, stuck on the fretboard. And that's how you get this to work. And you can wiggle it to go sharp and flat. All right? I'll see you in the next video.